Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Happy New Year. It is January 1st, 2023. It's been a while since I done a video. I think since the beginning of December. So, let's hurry up and try to get through transactions. So, restaurant. Milk is, of course, groceries. Dollar General, I usually do household. Restaurant. Sonic Drinks is fun money. Shakes are fun money. Household. Restaurant. My bonus was more than I thought it was going to be, so that's pretty cool. Let's see, my husband's check. It was the 9th. I think that's a regular paycheck. But either way, even his bonus I put there, so. So while we're up top. Oh, I didn't even add any more. Of course I didn't. Okay. Restaurant. Milk is groceries. Lunch. Restaurant. Groceries. Pizza. Okay, go down a little bit. So gas will be my car. Husband's truck. Mom's truck. And I did that under miscellaneous. Well, but I'm right there. So, fuel stuff is miscellaneous. Silicone is miscellaneous. Okay, let's see if these need splits, because I think they do. So, groceries, personal, and household? I don't know. Groceries. Personal. Maybe miscellaneous? I don't know where keys should go. I think we'll do it under miscellaneous. That'd be good. Okay, so $5 keys, $12 personal, which leaves $2.17 grocery. This one splits. So Christmas, household, and lemonade. Or Christmas, household, and groceries. Lemonade is groceries. Okay, so 20. Christmas is 55. So 164.07. This should just straight up be groceries. I don't know why something that low would be split. Okay. So yeah, that was technically quick Christmas, I guess, but we're just gonna call it groceries. And this one, there's no notes, so I'm gonna say it's all grocery. And this was mine from last night, so it's my personal money. And then plumbing. So it could be like an extra thing, but under monthly expenses, I guess. Or I could put it in cash because I wrote a check. Whatever. Either way, it gets spent. So, an item, plumbing, $1786.75. It was for my mother-in-law's house, and she paid us back. So, also under, I guess, family, I'm going to put $1,800 because she just rounded up, which was very generous. And I don't know what day that was, so I'm just gonna pick a random one. It was sometime this week. Okay. So, 4,073.75. Left over 12,100. Let's see. 14,17.94. I got paid 21st. I did house cleaning on 11th. Okay, I have added in a few more things, and to try not to take up so much time. Let's see. Amazon is miscellaneous. Where did them go? Yeah, Amazon miscellaneous. And then gas for my car. Hulu comes off that same card, so We should be close to pets. There's dog food. And then some income. So interest. Let's see. I was doing his pretty much the same. So his regular paycheck and his bonus. So 51, 90, 13. Okay, so this needs to be 301. We made it up with that. This is 257. Those are good. This was paid on time. Okay, remaining. So Netflix was paid on time. Cricket. Water. I think it was only $29.25. No, yep. Let's see. Spotify. I'm trying to go fast, guys, because I'm running out of time. 28. Shit. At least I didn't change the thing of it. No, don't do that. That takes up time. I feel like I got this the end of last month, but anyways, gas, and then prescription, Amazon again, kitty litters, pets, Dollar General's household, but we have Safeco, and iTunes. Okay. This is kind of just basically, I'm going to put this as Christmas because that's what it was. There's household. So 284.15. No, 15, 16, 284.22. We'll try it. Sometimes I'm okay at math. It shows we did really good for